This has to be the best Super Bowl of my life. Just watch. Sack this guy.
Donald!
Let's run out the clock. Sack him.
Get him!
Oh my God.
Stole that ball.
Just drop the camera.
I would have taken my camera, grabbed that ball, and just
Don't celebrate just yet.
I would have.
Then he gets
Oh
fired.
my God. Oh my goodness.
Oh, here's the guy that was watching the concert.
Yeah, you don't want to see him come out.
Isn't he really good?
14 to some.
Did he just hit like the longest field goal?
I don't know.
Let's go sack him. Let's get him.
Stuff for that.
Get him. Get there. Get him. Get
Get
him.
him, Eric!
Yes.
Yeah,
There we
Donald!
go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Burn those timeouts. That's fine.
No, one.
Still chicken.
Go for it.
They have to go for it. Come on. Stop them here. I am sweating my balls off. Oh my God. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Yes! Yes! Yes!
Yeah!
Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit!
Yes! Let's go, Eric!
I won. I won. I won. I won.
Yes! Oh my phone! Jesus Christ! That is.
Hey,
Woo!
ring me.
Oh my God! Yes! Yes! Oh my God! Yes!
Bye, Joe Burr.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Yes, Donald!
Oh my God!
He almost had that too.
Oh my God!
Are you gonna have a heart attack?
Oh my God!
I'm going
Oh my
to.
God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Stop!
Dude, I just want a fucking truck!
Will that be better?
Dude, I just want a truck! Oh, get out!
Touchdown!
Oh,
You only got a field goal.
They're bringing it back. Jeff!
oh,
Jeff!
no, they didn't!
Football!
Oh my God!
No, the play was overturned.
Thank you very much.
There's a flag.
I will.
That game's over. Ah!
Yeah!
Oh, all right, gangsta, I'll see ya. Later. I just want a fucking truck!
I got no Texas.
Yes!
So where are you going tomorrow,
We're
Jeff?
going to Texas, baby!
Disney World!
Holy shit! Oh, sheesh! Oh! Oh, Yo, that was insane. I still, I don't even, I'm pinching myself. I don't know if it's real. I can't wait to get the truck up here. The original plan was to go down to Texas and drive it back, but it's not ready for a cross country voyage yet. So we're gonna ship it up from Texas, and we'll go through it, do some cool videos on it. 79 GMC Jimmy, 2-wheel drive, factory AC truck, solid. I can't wait. I just can't wait. It's gonna be awesome for the channel. I also just bought a 57 GMC pickup that's now sitting in my neighbor's garage that I gotta find a home for, and I can't wait to build that. That's got a C4 Corvette front suspension and 4-link coilovers in the rear. Like, it's awesome. LS. We got some cool stuff going to be video. I hope you guys enjoy. I can't wait just wanted to post a little something to keep you guys, informed. And when I get the truck gets up here, we're gonna go take a ride, and then we got some Buick videos we'll be doing. I've got a lot coming this year. So stay tuned. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and yeah, tell a friend. I'm at like 130 subscribers now, like kind of a big deal. So yeah, I really want to grow the channel. I gotta post more, obviously, be more consistent with my content, but I got some really cool stuff to videotape. So thank you for watching this, and I appreciate it. Later.